now that you've got the model made, let's go about making the drawing for this. So let's right click and click create a new drawing. I'm going to go ahead and do the inch there and do the B. It seems to fit pretty good on that, so we'll go ahead and try that. So when I put this in, it's going to come in at this angle, which is kind of weird, but it's going to work out best. So I'm going to put that right in the middle here, just to get started. And we'll go this way and put in what the front view is right there. Alright, so I'm going to right click on this view. Oops, I'm going to hit escape a couple times. Right click on that view, and I'm going to show those hidden lines. That's going to be important. I guess I probably should project this one up here too, to that, and it shows the hidden lines on that one. So not to create the auxiliary view, this is really what you want to do is when you create the auxiliary view, you're going to click auxiliary view, come down here and click this thing here. You can't click anything because there's nothing weird. You have to click inline right there and click on this line, and it'll push this thing up here so you can get that auxiliary view in there. And then you can go about dimensioning in that the way you need to. Alright, that ought to be enough.